we can safely say that during a search on his premises, a firearm, a Glock 9x19, was found on his person whilst in the wheelchair. During the search, the officers recovered the firearm on his person. Alright, he too has been charged and will be taken before the court today. After his arrest, arrangements were made for him to be transported to the Dennery police station, where a nurse would come and visit him daily. But after he was charged in the presence of his attorney at law, both him and his attorney agreed that he would remain at the Marshal station, where a caretaker is allowed to come in to take care of him on a daily basis. The same residents who are indicating that the police came in, the police were too rough, the police came to execute search warrants, these are the same residents who complain on a daily that gunshots are being fired in those communities. So, should we stay back and allow criminals to run the streets or take over our streets in St. Lucia? No.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, I want to thank the police then in St. Lucia, Mr. Chevan, because guess what, you're doing a good job. Now, you heard what the police say. Them have a cripple man where them catch with a 9mm gun pan him. Me, I go talk about that cripple boy there. And them have another Rasta man. We are run up him out in a one dirty shop. One dirty shop where him have. Me I go talk about the Rasta band there. But you know what is similar? Is that both of them was on Christmas list. And they were on Christmas list. I noticed Christmas list have a connection to what's going on, you know. But me I go explain more. The cripple boy Xander and the dread in a dirty white shirt and in a dirty shop. Me I go talk about them. And a lot more. Let's go.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel govern the world, worldwide. Countryman, some of them boy are some. Them are some bad, some feeder. Them are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder. You are dead grass clad, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass your front up, look less of your seaweed. We no smoke with fish, this are no seaweed. How man touch them up, feel free weed. How man feel of us to shit the real leader from batty them ban. Harrier breed them no in a mile and check it as you see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them are some bottom feeder. You are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Over the weekend, the RSLPF, along with other law enforcement agencies, conducted an operation at Wilton's Yard. During that operation, over 7 persons were arrested for offences stemming from possession of firearm, possession of ammunition, possession of controlled drugs, and possession of intent to supply to another. Also, 2 individuals were arrested for robberies, and those robberies were committed using firearms.
One more time again, I want to say big up the police. Mr. Chevan, I do a good job. Now, that brings me into the next link, and into the next thing I want to talk about. This cripple boy, with me named Xander, he is crippled, and he have a 9mm Glock pan him. And not only that, you know, by the man them in the slums. And he has been involved in a lot of crime. Now, there's a couple things going on here. People started defending him, you know, that he is crippled, he might wear pampers, and the man have an illegal firearm. And just like Mr. Sharon the inspector said the same people them and them pass on the information so them can make some arrests. And you have people like that man there in the dirty white hat and the dirty marina. You understand? Same place police going night. And when the police them going night, when them go there, them have a warrant. And the police show them the warrant. Show him the warrant. And you know why? The police have a warrant because the police know say him sell coke. The man in the white shirt, the dirty white shirt with the dirty shop, him sell coke and him sell drugs. That's why the police them got it. The cripple boy, Xander, as a matter of fact, may I play something with him dip on Christmas list. I talk, and may I go come back and chat a little bit more about that. Let's go.
D-Block. What is the community like?
The community, okay, now I get shot.
You got shot?
Yeah, right in front of the shop.
How long ago was that?
Well, that is about 15 years now since I'm in bed there.
What was the reasoning for it?
What? Just so?
Just being there?
Yes, just been cooling out, washing my car.
Yeah.
Yes, I got that incident.
How has that changed your life?
Well, they really changed my life the way that I wanted to change my life, what I wanted to be.
Right.
Understand it? But right now, I think I'm just there.
Yeah.
Just on the bed, just cooling out, watching football, watching, what I supposed to just do for myself.
Right. Were you targeted or it was just an accident?
No, I believe I get targeted.
Guys. Hey, I can't hear nothing. Just please.
I feel I get targeted, so.
Yes.
You understand it? So. I got it out to be for me, so I cannot say nothing much about it. So
yeah.
Because I oversee it already. All the time.
Were you a bad person?
No, not really. I wouldn't say that.
So you didn't feel deserving of this?
No, at all.
Have things gotten better? People have told me that great.
When I just hear the cripple boy, Xander, I talk to Christmas DUNCE. And you hear him say, him not involved in nothing. Him not deserve it. Why them shoot him? But you see the police them, you hear the police them say, people tell them say, him have a gun and got it. Now, to me, it seems like Christmas list, notice all of the man them in a St. Lucia talk to Christmas list. Police are target them. It seems like Christmas list or CIA or feds are go around in the Caribbean. Cause all of the man them at Trinidad have to run way and things that where him talk to. And then him come St. Lucia, him talk to that cripple boy. And then him talk to the next pussy warrior. Listen to this.
Lighters.
Yeah.
Any drink you need, we get from Mr. I Judge.
Okay. Right.
A lot of people here don't know who's the Graveyard Fellas. But you know who was the Graveyard Fellas? They were hard-working men.
Okay.
Stevedores. Men that was working harder than the police.
Right.
You see, when the police come to work 6 o'clock and they come home at 12 o'clock and another set taking work at 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock and another set taking, the Graveyard Fellas was working about 3 days.
Straight.
Because in them days, they had small, the ship, we didn't have them big.
You hear my talk to Christmas list right here, so. And the man a real criminal because the man know what time the police them come on and come off. And he must say, yo, like them graveyard man, yeah, them work harder than everybody in a St. Lucia. Who believe that? Who believe that? If him really believe say the graveyard man them are the hardest set of man them work in a St. Lucia, believe it or not, would have be like a white man born in England to blow out. Yo, it's crazy. But it's not done yet.
There is only one place I feel they find a firearm. But it was on a man that was crippled. He had get shot already. Nobody wasn't there to protect him when he gets shot. He crippled for 10 years now. You feel the man wouldn't try to protect himself against anybody that would... Because when he gets shot, the police wasn't there. And he on a wheelchair right now. Today they have him in the station. Today they have him in the station for trying to protect himself. You think he want the same thing to happen to him twice?
No, I wouldn't do and give that story justice if me not really say what they on my mind about it. Wanna notice them two man you know, them talk to Christmas list. When Christmas list come St. Lucia, and now the two of them police rush them, raid one dirty man shop, and the cripple boy them take off for 9 mil. Dirty shop man, also the police them raid him shop. Like me tell you now, him is a long time coke dealer, a coke him sell right there so in a shop. Now, dirty shop man, him also fully dunce. Because here the justification him give for the man have a gun pan him. What kind of idiot thing that? Big blood clot done spot. But there's also another thing me notice. Me no say iron pussy. Me no say Darth Vader. Me no say plastic face. Me no say none of the man them in the so-called helping hands or whatever fuck them have a go on about charity to stop violence. Me no say none of the man them in that, none of them. Me no say iron pussy. Me no say nobody. Okay? I'm happy I like that and talk about that and make people know. Me no see none of them. Government give them money. Where the money there? Judge Countryman have you know. So me a highlight you know. Now, with that said, I want to watch this. I may go point out something while the video play. Cause it really annoy me. May I show you something?
Afro, much respect. Peace and love.
Peace and always love. That's how a trap house, but it's closed for now. They have no one inside, so we're going to go.
What is it?
A trap house.
Where you? There's a trap house.
Everybody hear what that little boy just said? He said that is a trap house. And these people are saying that the police them is coming in there to do fuckery when you have trap houses and other things. Listen to it again. I am not the one making it up. Listen to this.
Afro, much respect. Peace and love.
Peace and always love. That's how a trap house, but it's closed for now. They have no one inside, so we're going to go.
What is it?
A trap house.
Where you? There's a trap house.
So on the year the youth, but the youth say, like me mentioned earlier, trap house, drug dealer, this, that. So the police them is doing a damn good job. Yo, last but not least, me have to touch upon something when me see in this video. Because I am watching the video, me and Editor Boss, the video with Christmas Dunce, and the little boy them, the one in the green shirt, and the other one in the blue, showing Christmas Dunce around. So I said to myself, I said to Editor Boss, I said, what is that in that little boy's hand? And it seemed like the boy have a spliff in his hand. let me explain it like this. A joint. And he is 15 years old. So I am trying to wrap my head around it. He's 15 years old. He should be in school, but he's out there with Christmas lists, well dressed. I have a ganja spliff in an hand. Look at it.
Inside, so we guys
What is it?
A trap house.
Where you? There's a trap house.
Inside, so we guys
What is it?
A trap house.
Where you? There's a trap house.
Inside, so we guys
What is it?
Inside, so we guys
What is it?
A trap house.
Where you? There's a trap house.
A trap house.
Where you? There's a trap house.
Inside, so we guys
What is it?
A trap house.
Where you? There's a trap house.
One thing before I go. Mr. Siobhan, you see that little boy right there? Him have a ganja spliff in his hand. You need to look into the kids them. He's 15 years old. And he's on Christmas DUNCE video with a marijuana joint. And even Christmas DUNCE asked him, how come you're not in school? And he gave some kind of fucked up answer. And he's walking, because when I saw the video, I am saying to myself, I'm editor boss, Mr. Inspector, is that a spliff that little boy have? So you need to check that little boy parents. And, you know, see what's going on, because if he's 15 and dressed to the T's like a gangster, I have a big marijuana joint in his left hand. Something is going on. Once again, me have to say big up to Inspector Siobhan doing a damn good job. Everywhere where you went in Grass Street over there, so which part you do the raid and take the gun off of the cripple man. He was justified. He had a warrant. He went to the spot them where you know the gangster them there and what fuck with them and do. So to me, you winning and keep up the good work, and all of the other bottom feeder them, don't worry. Countryman coming through. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.